1 4 fine cap 3 plus installation procedure. Step 1 unpacking. So at the top waste is available. So first check the accessories. So packaging list will be there. Analyzer, power card, plug adapter. So like that you check the package list. So check the accessories. One manual is there. Warranty card, stylus, universal adapter, LAN cable for Alias connection for export the data to the PC, power card. This is a Chinese power card. Place the instrument on the straight surface. So back side of the instrument, power connection will be there. Connect the power card. So with the help of adapter, so adapter connection scheme. So this is only one power. So instrument will take 1 minute for checking the hardware or the software. This is kind of initialization. So for the installation, room temperature is very important. Ambient temperature is 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. So company recommending to keep in 25 degrees Celsius. Additionally, you can connect the printer direct to the instrument. You can use the external printer like HP 2010, HP 1020, HP 1010, HP 1108. So this is for external connection. For internal, 58 mm printer paper width printer paper is connected. So 1 centimeter to 3 centimeter keep outside and close. Enough. After switch on the instrument will be come to the home page. So you have to enter the user ID and password. So for user, capital A, small d, M, password 1 2 3 4 5 6, login. So now you check the temperature. Temperature should be below 27 for the sample processing. So it will take usually 10 to 15 minutes. It will attain the room temperature. So in the meanwhile, you can read the ID chip which is given to the instrument. Fine care kit, vitamin D, TSH. Inside the kit, 25 numbers of test cartridge, detection buffer 25 numbers, pipette tip 25 numbers, one ID chip and kit insert. It will be available in the pack inside. Cartridge will be come in the pouch with inside the desiccant will be there for avoid the moisture. This is buffer. The buffer vial and volume will be differ from the kit to kit. ID chip for master curve, pack insert, tips. So first, before sampling, before processing, we have to read the ID chip. TSH, lot number, reagent, read ID. So verify the kit name and the lot number. F220146 So verify the kit lot number which is in the kit and the mission. So now instrument is ready for performing. So you see your login in the admin. So now instrument is not in the testing mode. So for testing mode, go in the testing. See, temperature not yet attained. Once temperature is attained, you can start the sampling. Check the software version. So this is the current software version 117. Then check the